Do you know a person who has got a phone but does not use WhatsApp? You won't find any. Actually, WhatsApp got so many features. You can send a message to a person without saving the number. You can do conference call. You can connect to a computer or a laptop and do lot many things. How? See this one.
Hey Google, send a WhatsApp message to Rahul.
Here it may take 4 to 5 seconds.
Okay, what's the message?
Bring popcorns and ice cream for me in the evening.
So, that's a message to Rahul saying, bring popcorn and ice cream for me in the evening. Ready to send it?
Yes, send.
Sending your message to Rahul.
Let us see more advanced and interesting features now.
You can give a beautiful color to your messages. Suppose you want to send a message in bold. Before you type, press star. Then type hello, again star. This becomes bold. Now you can send it. You can make it in italics also. For that, you'll have to press underscore, italics, underscore. Now it becomes italics. When you send a WhatsApp message, the behind wallpaper is white. You feel bored, so you can change the wallpaper after some time. For that, go to settings, then chats, then wallpaper. You can choose the wallpaper from your gallery, or wallpaper you can choose from a solid colors. Suppose we take this color, blue. There are many shades of blue. This you can choose. This design looks good, so you can change the wallpaper also. If you want to replace some wallpaper, select no wallpaper. The font you are seeing, you can change the size of the font also. For this you will have to do go to setting, chat, font size. It's medium. You can medium or make it large or small as per your choice. By default, the language of WhatsApp is English. You can convert this into another language like go to settings, then chats, then app language. So you can choose your language, for example, Hindi here, then everything will be in Hindi. In case you want some other language, go to chat, select language, or for example, Gujarati or Marathi, it will come in Marathi. Now here we will return it to English. So you can read it in any language you want. Text will be in that language, but you will be able to type only in English. In your WhatsApp messages, if you want that the message is from one person, whenever the message comes, you see it on top of the list, on top of everybody. And what you will do for that? For example, this name, or let's take the other one. Keep it long pressed. You will see a sign of a pin. Just press it. This message will always appear on top of all the messages whenever you receive the messages. This group or this person will always remain on top of it. For the time being, we will unpin it. So that becomes normal. Many times it happens that you have so many groups and you do not want that your time should waste whenever messages come. You do not get irritated and that way you can mute the group. Like here, there is a group, keep it long pressed, it is selected. You see a sign of a speaker, cross speaker, select that, then it will get muted. It will ask you permission. You want to mute it for 8 hours, 1 week, or for always. It will get muted as per your needs. Many times it happens that you are added to a group you do not wish to be included. You can stop it. For this, you go to setting, account, then privacy, then groups. When you press groups, you will have three options. So you can, there are three choices. Nobody can, then somebody in your contacts or selected people will be able to add to your group.
You can connect your phone WhatsApp with computer or laptop. For this, type in any browser www.web.whatsapp.com. You will see this type of screen in front of you and you will see a QR code. Go to your mobile settings and select whatsapp.web/computer and scan QR code in front of you. Your WhatsApp will start on laptop/computer. Whatever you can do on mobile, you can do on laptop/computer screen. But Wi-Fi on mobile and computer should be ideally same. If you have two mobile connections, you can use them on two different browsers after following above procedures.
In your mobile, you can stop automatic download. Because of this, sometimes your phone memory gets full. What you will do for that? Go to setting, data storage. You will find three options. When you are connected to Wi-Fi, or when you are using mobile data, or when you are roaming. The moment you press it, for example, you will have four options. You can choose these options as per your choice. If you select first two, this will get downloaded. Otherwise, they will get downloaded only when you need it. This way you can save a lot of data of your mobile. Earlier, in order to send a WhatsApp message to a person, we had to save their number. Now we can send a WhatsApp message to a person without saving their number. For that, what you will have to do, go to a Google browser or any browser, type wa.me /, the country code followed by a 10-digit mobile number, and just press enter. It will search for WhatsApp and then you can send your message without saving the number of that person. It will go to that person. You can see there is no name but only telephone number there.
If you want that the person sending the message should not know that you have read their message, then you can do this in two ways. 1. Turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data before reading the message. Then read the message and then turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Or you can turn off Wi-Fi and put it in airplane mode. Turn off airplane mode after reading the message. Thus the sender of the message will not receive the sign of message read. This is a temporary solution. If you want a permanent solution, then do these steps. Go to the settings of WhatsApp, then to accounts, and turn off read receipt below privacy. If you turn it off, neither you nor the sender of the message will see two blue ticks after reading the messages you have sent or you have received. Two blue ticks always appear on group chat messages.
WhatsApp got a very good feature. You can make audio call or a video call with the person. Suppose we want to make an audio call with this person. Open that message. You will see two signs on the top, a phone sign as a camera sign. Press the phone sign. The call will start going to this person. WhatsApp call. And the other phone will start receiving the call. If they want, they can pick up the call or they can disconnect the call. We disconnect the call here. This was the audio call. This is very beneficial where the receiving person has a weak phone connections. So audio call will be able to go through. Now we'll see how we can make video call. For making video call, press the camera button. The video call will start going to the other person. The next phone is receiving video call. Now the call got connected at both the places. You can hear the sound at both the places. It started from one phone and went to the other. There is another good feature here. You have made a call to one person. You can make call to three more persons. Do you see a plus sign here? Just press it and you can include two more persons in the video call. So this way you can send a video call to four persons. That means three persons beside you. The call will get connected to all the four people, including you. So you can use this feature. So this is a very good feature where you can make calls to people sitting abroad or anywhere. So total of 4 persons can come in one conference call. I'm sure this video was beneficial to you. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to our channel if you have not already done it. Thank you.